walking in there for the first time, that was a really special moment. That auditorium just oozes atmosphere. It was sad at the beginning because it hadn't lived as a theatre for so long, but you knew that that was going to change. Lying on my back in the rubble at the beginning of the project to get the whole of the ceiling into a single photo, thinking at the end of this project people will look at the ceiling fully restored and will want to compare it with how it was. Well, it's exactly the same as it was at the beginning of the project. They haven't replaced everything, they haven't filled everything in, they haven't hidden the patches from people. Most people think of a restoration as being, let's bring it bang up to date, let's fill in all the holes, make it really modern, fulfill its function. You'll walk in there and it is like it was 3 years ago when I first walked in there. You will not notice the work that's gone into the place. The floorboards have been up, the supporting arches have been demolished, replaced, rebuilt. There's a new concrete floor, there is state-of-the-art heating and ventilation in the place, and you don't see any of it. But it's all part of this idea of arrested decay, of keeping as much of what was there as is possible and only replacing the bits that in effect drop off or aren't safe to use. Go on to the balcony. New supporting beams were put in, floating if you like, above the old balcony, so that hasn't been demolished. It is still there, but as I say, it wouldn't have supported an audience, so these new beams have been put in. The new balcony has been built on top of those beams, so you still see the balcony wall. It's very cleverly done, and you're totally unaware that there's anything different. It's really clever. The one place that has really changed is that roof space. Its main function originally was supporting the plaster ceiling. Now it has to be able to support any lighting equipment, sound gear, but the original beams are still there. Again, it's all been done to maintain as much of what's survived for the past 80 years or so. It does get to you. It gets to everybody that walks in there. I think the restoration approach that's been taken has been absolutely amazing. You will not see any of the work that's gone into the place, and that is really clever.